Clues to what happens moments before a plane crash can be lost forever if the black box is never recovered. A Calgary-based company has invented a new kind of black box. Now, in an emergency, experts on the ground know exactly what the pilot is seeing moments before it happens. Here's Bindu Suri.
During any tragic plane crash, the answer to what went wrong is locked inside the black box, the only way of knowing what happened in those crucial moments. Information was lost this past June when Air France Flight 447 went down off the coast of Brazil because the black box was never recovered.
It was really the Air France 447 incident that highlighted the vulnerabilities to the industry in terms of not knowing what actually happened.
Bradley says it was a turning point for the airline industry that prompted a Calgary-based company, AeroMechanical Services, to develop a live black box.
It's altitude, everything that's happening with the engines.
It works in conjunction with the traditional black box, but now the information can be sent out in real time using satellite technology. It records what the pilot sees and sends it to a safe and secure location on the ground at any time, even in a worst-case scenario.
It shuts off its normal mode and it starts to listen to the black box and starts to stream all that data that's on the black box off to a safe location so that it can be recovered in the event that the aircraft has a catastrophic failure and you can't get that black box back.
Unlike radar, which tracks an airplane periodically over the ocean, the live black box never loses contact. Sky Service Airlines has bought into the data on demand tool, using the information for aircraft maintenance and fuel efficiency. Another huge selling point, the promise of making travel by air even safer.
It gives us a good communication link for our pilots and dispatchers, which allows them to then refine the options and opportunities they have to change routes, perhaps to avoid thunderstorms.
There is a limit to how much information can be sent, and the original black box still has all the voice recordings from the cockpit.
There's always a concern if you think someone's looking over your shoulder, but there isn't a pilot in the world who doesn't want to see flight safety enhanced, and that's what this tool is all about.
Travelers would agree having an extra pair of eyes in the sky can only help. Bindu Suri, Global News.
AeroMechanical Services recently partnered with U.S. company L3 Communications, which happens to be the world's largest producer of black boxes.